How to recover your Instagram password if you forgot your email and your phone number. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Instagram if you forgot your password without using your email or your phone number as well. So the first thing, you want to head over to your web browser and search for this right here. Search for Instagram password recovery and you will see this recover your Instagram password help support link at the very first. Once you tap on it, it will guide you to this page and you just have to scroll down and tap on visit this page. Now it will take you to this page and ask you to continue to the app. So make sure that you have the app installed and it's up to date. So just open your app and from here you can choose I've forgotten my password and tap on next. And from here it will ask you to enter your username, email, or phone number, but if you don't have any of those, you can tap on this can't reset your password and tap on OK. So once you do that, you can go to Help Center and you can tap on this drop down recover your Instagram password and scroll down until you see this was this helpful, then tap on no and tap on others. And here you can ask the Instagram help and support team saying that you don't have access to your email and no longer have access to your phone number as well, so you will need another way to recover your account. And once you submit it, they will get the ticket and they should respond within 24 hours, or maybe it will take up to 72 hours. And then after they have responded, they will send an email to you. Just make sure to mention an email here that is accessible to you right now, and after that they will send a reset link and you can recover your password from there. That's how you can log into your Instagram if you forgot your password without using your email or phone number. I'll see you on the next one.